Okay, Ethan just got his new chair, and he's learned, for some reason, he thinks it's funny to fall out of it and then roll in the floor. Are you gonna roll? You can't roll. Your chair's in the way. I'm gonna get him. Oh, here he comes. Ready? Roll. Kitty, 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 kitty. Oh. Get back in your chair. Let me push it back up for you. Hold on. Okay, there you go. Now you can get back in it and fall. Oh. Oh, you already fell. You better roll this way. I do. Get back in your chair. Ethan, come here. Look. Look here. Ethan Williams. All right. Ethan! Looky. Come get in your chair. Come get in your chair. Rocky, Rocky. Are you gonna roll? I'm gonna get him, get him, get him, get him. Get him, get him, get him, get him. Come on, you wanna come get in your chair? Look over here. Come sit.
Take 10 minutes to answer.
What are you doing, you silly child? Ethan, you're so silly. Don't roll around in the kitchen floor. It's dirty. Come here. Mama's going to sit in your chair. Sit in your chair. Go get in your chair. Oh, you're going to roll? No, don't you roll, don't you roll. Sammy, no, no. Ethan, can you wave bye-bye? No, that's not good. Tell Mama bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. You're so silly. Or I guess he's going to read a book.